So the first thing you're going to do is log into Production Truck the way that you always do. Same credentials, so on and so forth. And then the first thing you're going to do is go to the settings here. And you are going to go to where it says service here in this little cloud. And you are going to change it from blue frame to generic RTMP. And then when that's done, you can click away. You'll need to go back in a little bit later, but I'm going to show you how to do everything else first. So the next thing you're going to need to do is just open up any browser and go to boxcast.com. Then you'll go to where it says login. And it is the same username and password as Production Truck. It may send me a code. If that's the case, let me know, but and I can quickly forward it to you. So you can see here that it shows your Minnesota Blizzard game. You'll select that. It shows the time, 6:45. That'll be notable here in a minute. The other thing you're going to want to pay attention to is this where it says source. So if you click on this, and then this will show you a couple things that you're going to need back in Production Truck. So just click copy on URL. It's that little button. We'll copy it. It's this. You can also highlight it if you want to do it. So now we're going to go back to Production Truck. We are going to go to Broadcast, Create Broadcast. And you're going to fill out something in the descriptions. You can describe the game. It's probably the best way to do it, but it's not necessarily essential. You could just type in a bunch of random letters. It just needs to be called something. Then you're going to go to where it says host URL, and you're going to paste what you just saw there. You're going to go back here where it says stream key, copy that. Then you're going to go back to the Production Truck broadcast stream name, paste that, and click save. And then you're going to go back to the settings, go to where it says advanced. We want this on 720 and 30-second frame rate. So it should be there already, but just double check. So the next thing you'll do is you'll bring in your cameras and stuff like you always do. I'm just going to bring in the FaceTime camera because we need to have something. And then we'll just bring in a MacBook mic so we have some levels. And then I have a whole bunch of stuff here, but you don't need to worry about this. This will all be the normal stuff. So what you're then going to do, and where we start to diverge a little bit more from what we've done in the past, is you're going to click live here. There's no test first doing it this way, just live. And when this starts to go, it doesn't actually mean you're live. Basically, it means this is sending a signal to boxcast. And if you hit refresh here, it'll show that this Production Truck here is now connected. But it won't actually start broadcasting until it hits this moment. So you want to be live in there, and then at 6:45, if you're live, it'll start going live here. and then you just and then you start your broadcast, yada yada yada. Blizzard win by 1,000,000. You go in here, you say you're sure you don't want to be live anymore. Yes, I do not want to be live. And you can just click keep, and you can use the same one tomorrow, I believe, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But you may have to create another one, but I think you can use the same thing for both. And then the last step you want to do when you're here is you're going to come in. You can't see it right now because it's not technically live, but you'll want to go in here and it'll say end broadcast or something like that, and then you'll be off. So that's really all there is to it. It's not overly difficult. I just wanted to kind of show you that extra step with boxcast. To check it and make sure that it's working, just go to gametimemn.com. And then if you see right here, the first thing, watch Minnesota Blizzard Soccer. If you click on that on your phone, you should see this streaming, hit play. If it's running, then you're working properly. So I would recommend doing that almost immediately after 6:45 when this thing goes live. That is it. I'm going to end my recording. I will send this to you, and hopefully it helps. Thank you.